I had left it in the garage.
This has gone rotten in here, so that's why I'm making a new one. There we are, look. So that fits in there, and this piece of angle will go on the top of there.
This back bit, which is securely fastened to the chassis, doesn't match up with this bodywork bit. It's just doing that. I've got some brown lino.
That'd be alright, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You tell me like, was it brown?
No, I could put that in, cut that, put it in there on this one, and then I can screw the trim in.
Yeah. I'll get some brown lino in a second.
Yeah, okay.
I'll multiplex it.
No, that's alright.
Right. Bliss, a working step. Today we discovered how badly made parts of this vehicle actually are. It's put together with bits of aluminium that don't fit, pop rivets that have popped out over the years, and bits that have been kicked to death by generations of BBC engineers. It's still not finished, but it does actually function as a step. And it takes my weight. And Richard has done the lino, Dave has done most of the drilling and the lining, and I've done the testing. All we need now is a piece of fascia, because this metal here has been so dented by the size 12 BBC engineer's feet that it's stretched, and the only way of sort of sorting that out is to either replace it or cover it up, and I think we're going to cover it up. So we'll get some more of this and just pop rivet it to the back plate here, and then a bit of lino on here, a bit of trim on there. Whoa, a step. Now step and repeat and do the other side. Right, try again. Look at that one, look, there's quite a gap there. The only thing I've ever done is memory stick.
That's it, job done.
Grind some more off.